Hey guys, well, y'all wanna see my jacked up phone? Got a crack all up in the screen and junk. This is what it looked like. And then there's this one. This is the little one that I use when I'm like texting and junk. And this is the one with the cracked screen, cause I dropped it. It's a Samsung. Yeah, I dropped it and now it's got a cracked screen. So yeah, that one is, well, anyway, I'm gonna go eat some soup and then I will come back and talk to y'all. Okay, bye. Hey! Hey, Dallas! Hey! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that stuff. Do that. Okay. Do that. And that. Yeah. Do that one too. And that one. Katie, you need to read this. Okay. Girl, you know you love that little message, okay? Krista! Look at my little smiley face. It's so cute. Look at it. It's so cute. And Anna. Anna. Bam! Shawty pimp. Yeah. So, yeah.
Disciplining is disciplinoying, unlike a benoying.
I had to throw my AirPods jacket away because it turned pink. Turned pink. This is what my phone look like. Look at this. My screen is broken.
Really you? It is I, and I am me. But you turned into blossoms and blew away. Yes, but I have returned to the Jade Palace because I'm needed. That is awesome. Needed for what? To help Shifu? No, to help you. Me? Why me and why now? And where have you been and where'd you go and what's it like being a ghost and why can't candy be for dinner? I shall answer all your questions after you prepare for the attack. Yeah, but wait, what attack?
So, yeah. That's how that looks. Our room. Me mentally retarded room. That is a hot mess over there. And my bed is a hot mess. I is watching Kung Fu Panda. And there's a panda on my calendar. Tweety bird. Tweety. It's Tweety bird. This book is amazing. Love this freaking book. Swag. And this is a boy shirt, yet I still wear it. If you can see it, it's Marvin the Martian. See the Montana carpet with the signature down there. And the Miss Saxes that have the little Valentine thingies on them.
Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah.
And I should know. I'm fluent. True.
Oh.
Help you with what?
My hat.
Dragon warrioring.
Is it dirty to put hat?
He said I needed proper guidance. This is what I will do. You must bring it to him immediately.
What in J?
I'd love to, but actually, he wants me to come to the peach tree. No.
I love this thing.
He kind of sort of said that he only wants
My brother got
to
me
talk
this.
to me.
And my best friend got me this.
But I was
And my brother got me this, which I love to death.
of course. He must have his reasons.
And
Did he say anything else?
my electronic,
No,
all
not
my
really.
electronics.
I should go,
This
actually.
hot mess over here.
There's no time to waste.
The little old dinosaur computer that has my clothes all over it.
Who should